Monero recently got removed from a crypto exchange. Will that have a good or bad impact on the token? We will tell you all about it in this video. Hey people, welcome to CryptoSafe. In today's video, we will be looking into Monero being removed from the exchange platform and everything you need to know about Monero. But before we start, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And also, we are giving away $20 for a random person who will like this video. At the end of the month, we will announce the winner. Let's get started. According to a business email published on Reddit last week, cryptocurrency exchange Kraken will stop allowing UK users to trade in the privacy crypto token Monero starting next week. According to the email, UK customers will no longer be able to trade Monero against Bitcoin, the dollar, or the euro on the site after November 26. Any deposits made in the United Kingdom will no longer be credited after this Friday. However, balances can be withdrawn to a personal wallet or another exchange after that date, according to the email. Any open margin positions should be closed by Friday, and if they aren't, Kraken stated in an email that they will be liquidated and any outstanding orders will be cancelled. From Tuesday, people will only be able to reduce their margin holdings in Monero and will not be able to increase or open new margin positions. According to a Kraken representative, the company is following the Financial Conduct Authority's instructions on financial markets regulation in the United Kingdom. The Financial Conduct Authority of the United Kingdom recently clarified its position on Monero. We are continuously attempting to combine delivering one of the most complete sets of assets available to crypto investors and traders with all applicable regulatory compliance duties, as one of the world's top cryptocurrency exchanges. In an emailed response on Monday, the spokesperson added, "Privacy coins are causing concern among cryptocurrency exchanges, especially in light of increased regulatory scrutiny." Bittrex said at the start of the year that it would no longer allow clients to trade privacy cryptocurrencies such as Monero, Dash, and Zcash. Given the regulatory ambiguity surrounding these assets, Coinbase, the largest publicly traded exchange, announced in July last year that it will hold off on listing privacy coins for the time being. Meanwhile, BINANCE, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, continues to support Monero trade. Bitcoin is based on a mechanism that uses pseudo-name addresses to conceal the participant's identity. These pseudonames are made up of alphabet and number combinations that are generated at random. However, because both Bitcoin addresses and transactions are recorded on the blockchain, they are accessible to the whole public. Even pseudonymous addresses aren't completely anonymous. A few transactions made by a participant over a period of time can be connected to the same address, allowing others to learn about an address owner's patterns and identity. Fungibility is another advantage of Monero over Bitcoin. This means that two units of a currency can be replaced for each other with no difference in value. Despite the fact that two $1 notes have the same face value, they're not fungible because each has a unique serial number. Two 1-ounce gold bars of the same grade, on the other hand, are fungible since they have the same value and no distinguishing qualities. A Bitcoin, in this instance, is a $1 note, but Monero is a chunk of gold. The blockchain keeps track of each Bitcoin's transaction history. It enables for the identification of Bitcoin units that are linked to certain events such as fraud, gambling, or theft, allowing for the blocking, suspension, or closure of accounts that hold such units. Consider obtaining a few Bitcoins that were previously used for gambling, only to have them prohibited in the future, resulting in a loss. Monero features a non-traceable transaction history, making it a much safer network for users who don't want their owned units to be rejected or banned by others. XMR is one of the market's oldest cryptocurrencies. At the time of its inception, few experts could have predicted that Monero would experience such rapid growth. Monero has demonstrated its viability numerous times over the years, and it currently has a well-deserved place in the portfolios of thousands of investors. With an initial price of $2, Monero was listed on cryptocurrency exchanges. There was a dearth of demand, as is typical of newly listed coins. Monero hit an all-time low of 25 cents in February 2015. Monero's popularity peaked between 2016 and 2018 when the cryptocurrency was at its greatest. In the second half of 2016, Monero had its first big price surge. In early 2016, XMR was trading for less than $1, but by September it had risen to $14. In 2017, the cryptocurrency's price continued to rise, reaching $460 by December. Monero reached an all-time high of $495 in early January 2018 when the entire crypto market was undergoing a surge. The rest of the year, like the rest of the market, was gloomy for Monero. XMR ended the year at a price of $50. Monero's price behavior on the daily timescale is worth watching. Since hitting an all-time high a few months ago, the price of XMR has dropped drastically to roughly $160 and has struggled to recover. The good news for Monero is that the price has been steadily rising since hitting the $160 support level, producing a diagonal resistance while also forming a wedge. We can expect a breakout in price action that has been consolidating, especially in wedges and channels. The 200-day EMA is acting as dynamic support right now, which some are expecting may be enough to push the market higher and towards a breakout. Because XMR's price appears to be testing the diagonal support under the influence of the 150-day EMAs, it's advisable not to hold one's breath in anticipation of a bullish surge anytime soon. For any prospect of bullishness in the near future, today's Monero price prediction reveals that XMR must stay above the 200-day EMA. Trading Beasts predicts that the price of XMR will decrease to $205 by December 2021, but not before hitting the resistance level of $300. According to Trading Beasts' projection, Monero's lowest potential price per XMR coin in 2022 will be $201, and its highest will be $301. They don't expect much in the way of major growth in the coming years, predicting that the price of $300 would remain unchanged in 2024. Monero's price forecast for the next few years is quite optimistic, according to Wallet Investor. The price of XMR is predicted to drop below $200 before the end of the year, but will thereafter grow until 2022. Monero is expected to nearly double in price by 2022, which is fantastic news for investors. The optimistic trend is expected to continue until next year, with Wallet Investor predicting that Monero's future price might reach $1,000 in 2026. Some people think CoinLiker's projection for Monero's potential price in 2020 was overly optimistic. They predicted that XMR will reach $366 by 2021, which it did. According to the same forecast, we may expect $1,366 by 2025. Monero, according to CoinLiker, is a terrific cryptocurrency with a lot of promise. Monero is a good long-term investment, according to CoinSwitch's XMR price prediction. It will gain weight as a result of the network's next update, better confidentiality mechanism, and development financing. Monero may hit $900 by 2023, according to CoinSwitch, as demand for XMR develops. It is projected that the cryptocurrency would continue to rise, maybe reaching $1,400 by 2025. Monero has risen to the top of the cryptocurrency rankings throughout time. This is a good sign that user demand for confidential transactions is stable. The project is still in active development, and new updates are provided on a regular basis, ensuring that Monero's blockchain remains competitive. On October 17, 2020, one of the most recent updates, dubbed Oxygen Orion, was implemented. The fact that consumers and developers are paying attention to the project suggests that it will be developed further in the future. Monero is a cryptocurrency that has a firm foundation and is widely used. There's no doubt that it's in high demand on the market, and its price will continue to climb. From a regulatory sense, its complete privacy might be a liability. Is it going to be outlawed or tightly regulated? Is it possible to remove it from exchanges? What are the chances? When deciding whether or not to use Monero, the possibility of government retaliation should be considered. We can't move on further without mentioning that all cryptos are subjected to market volatility, and every investment should be brought through, and you should do your due diligence before any investment. With that, we are at the end of the video. What is your thought on this? Let us know in the comment section below. Remember to be a part of our family. If you found the video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you soon. Until then, bye.